fridge that I come into every Tuesday is very good. It helps me out, and I'm sure it helps out a lot of people. And the staff in here are very friendly, very welcoming, couldn't ask for a better service.
As a local resident and a parent of two young children, I think the community fridge has been very helpful. There's a variety of different food each week, so varying from milk, cheeses, vegetables and bread. So good essentials for the family.
You know, I often wonder how on earth they managed before you guys arrived. And on this estate you've got all sorts of ages, creeds, colours, classes, and some of them are very, very poor. I'm not exactly laden with money, but I can honestly say that you saved me a hell of a lot of money each week. And heaven forbid you should ever leave, because we really do need you to stay around. So please, 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 hang around, please, for all of us. It's amazing.
Yeah.